Get healthy skin with rice water. Rice is not just a food staple in Asian cuisine, it is also an integral part of Asian beauty and skin care practices. Japanese and Korean women have been using rice water as a skin care and hair care product for centuries. Rice contains 75 to 80% starch and is a great beautifying aid. And rice water is the starchy water after the rice has been left to soak in it for a certain amount of time. It is said to be packed with rich nutrients including amino acids, vitamin B, vitamin E, minerals, antioxidants. Now let's explore what rice water can do for your skin. 1. Anti-aging benefits. Rice water is loaded with antioxidants that could inhibit the activity of elastase, an enzyme that damages elastin. Thus, it could help maintain the elasticity of the skin and slow down the signs of aging. 2. Skin brightening effect. People in Korea and Japan use rice water to minimize blemishes and brighten their skin. Rice water contains some enzymes that have a skin brightening effect. 3. Protects the skin barrier. When the natural barrier of your skin is compromised, it becomes dry and vulnerable to skin conditions like atopic dermatitis. Rice starch can help improve and repair the natural barrier of the skin. This is especially beneficial for people who have atopic dermatitis. This function of rice water may also be beneficial for managing eczema, rashes, and inflammation. 4. Soothes sunburn. Rice water feels soothing on sunburned skin. Many people find it extremely beneficial for treating mild symptoms of sunburn, such as redness, inflammation, and itching. When applied on the skin, starchy rice water also has a tightening and toning effect. This could be especially beneficial for people with oily skin. Here we have a basics and simple methods to prepare rice water for skin at home and how to use it effectively. 1. You can use any type of rice: white rice, brown rice, wild rice, basmati, jasmine, organic rice, etc. 2. Rinse the rice to wash out dirt and impurities with water. 3. At this stage, simply drain the water without letting the rice soak in the water for a long time to avoid the loss of nutrients. 4. After draining out the dirty water, add fresh water to the rice to soak. Depending on your preference, this is the range of ratio for making rice water: 1 tablespoon of rice to 1 cup of water, or 1 jar of rice to 3 jars of water. You can use any type of containers, but you must be able to cover the soaking rice with a lid or a cover to seal the container. 5. Let it sit covered for at least 30 minutes or overnight for fermented rice water. 6. Stir it slightly or knead the soaked rice lightly until the water turns cloudy to help vitamins and minerals seep into the water. 7. Drain the freshly made rice water into a clean bowl or container for use. You can store the rice water in the fridge for up to 1 week and shake well before use. Ways to use rice water. Using rice water as a facial cleanser is as simple as splashing a bit onto your face and gently massaging it into your skin for about a minute. After just one application, you'll notice your skin feeling soft, tight, and young. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share.